Welcome to Babonga's channel. Let's make this beautiful amethyst crystal tree. Start with 1 meter of copper wire and amethyst chips. Thread 3 of them in the middle of the wire. Hold them firmly together and twist the wires for about 1 centimeter. And you have your first little branch. Pick one of the wires, thread 3 more amethysts, leave a little distance, hold these together and twist again, and you have 2 little branches. Now get the other wire and repeat, and you have your first triple branch. Now twist the 2 wires downwards for 2 centimeters to create another branch but lower. Repeat the process, leave the necessary distance and twist to make the first one of the lower branches. Continue like this to create like 6 or 7 little branches, and then twist the remaining length of the 2 wires together to create a stem almost to the end of them. Fix them a little bit, and now you have to do some more of them. Next, we can make different branches with different materials like these green glass beads. That will add a little green to our amethyst tree. Now you work the same way. I made 3 of them and 7 of the amethyst crystal branches. Now let's combine these into larger groups of branches. Pick 2 or 3 of them and twist their stems together. This way you have a thicker and richer tree part. So continue combining all the thinner branches that you've made into thicker ones. So I'm making 4 larger groups, but I'm gonna set one aside, and what I'm gonna do now is twist the 3 together into one even larger. Twisting so much copper wire together is not easy. So use your pliers to twist hard and secure all the branches together. Okay, so far, now let's add this part and twist that a little bit lower at the trunk of the larger tree. Use pliers and arrange and fix all around. And now we have to think how to make the trunk look more natural. So cover the trunk with aluminum foil, pressing all around like this, and especially create a solid flat base for your tree. Next, apply a cover of wood glue on the aluminum foil so the air dry clay will stick perfectly to it. cover all the aluminum foil around with air dry clay. And then start texturing it, giving it the appearance of wood. That is, carve lines, thicker and thinner ones, maybe poke some holes, create shapes. Generally work on the roots and on the top parts, and generally take your time to make it look as good as possible. After you finish, you can use a wet brush to smooth all the details that you've added. Water works great with air dry clay. Now let it dry, and after it's dry you paint as you like, and the only thing that remains is to plant it somewhere nice.